Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my monthly Floerns video, and I've got about 5 pieces. Actually, I think technically there's 6 because I think there's like 2 in 1. Anyway, so I've got about 5 pieces to share with you today for August. These are new releases. Floerns is an online boutique. Well, I say online boutique. They're online. They're on Amazon. They're a boutique on Amazon, and they offer so many different styles of clothing for pretty inexpensive on the grand scheme of things. So I'm really excited to get into these products. If you guys are new, welcome. My name is Krystal with a K, and this is a lifestyle channel. I like sharing all kinds of different content. That's why it's lifestyle. And today happens to be a review, try on style type of video. So if that is something that you're interested in, go ahead and click the subscribe button because I post these videos pretty often. Floerns for sure is once a month, but then also sprinkle in a few other ones here and there. Anyways, enough rambling, let's get into it. First piece up is this maxi floral, very Hawaiian style dress. It is so cute. I have another one very similar from them that I got back in like May or something like that. But this one is a different color scheme. I really like the blues and the greens. And then we have the little birds. What are those called? Parrots. This one does have strings that you would tie, so it's adjustable. For if you want it lower or higher. This back panel is elastic, so it offers a lot of stretch in the back if you need a little bit more wiggle room. Love the top part of this. It looks kind of like a corset with the boning in it. Also, this is double lined till about the knees, and then from there it's just very flowy. Okay, now hear me out. It's not gonna look like much right here, but this is a halter top. So I'm just going to demonstrate it for you real quick. Halter strap is adjustable and it's made of strings, okay? So keep that in mind. Also, we have these extra strings that wrap around the back side. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so fun to style. Thankfully, I have some like bra inserts so that nothing is on show or peeps out. But just so we're clear, there is no lining in this one. It is literally made of string, which is gonna go perfect with the next thing. These are a pair of cow print faux leather shorts. So I was thinking of pairing that brown top with these. I think it's gonna be so cute with like a pair of like boots. I know you can't see anything right now. Stay tuned to the end because I will do a try on portion so that you can see how they look on me. These are definitely some Daisy Duke style shorts. It has a button and zipper closure. And you know we have to have the belt loops for our belt. In case the camera is not picking it up, this band right here is brown, not black. I thought these were gonna be just adorable with that top. I'm so excited to style this. Next item up is a dress. Now this one is so fun. I don't have anything like this. So first off, we've got sheer sleeves with a little bell detail at the wrist. Now this is what you would call a super low cut, okay? So you're gonna want some type of sticky bra like I shared in my last video. I will link it below for anyone interested. They're actually really good. But this is a draped cowl neck. And then this is the bottom section. It looks like, it has this little wrap detail. So it looks like it's a top with a skirt. That's so cute. And it is double lined. Earlier in the video, I did mention that there was like a 2-in-1 situation. That is this right here. Now, this is a set of 2 skirts. You have black with the white polka dots and white with the black polka dots. It has an elastic band with built-in shorts, so you don't have to worry about it flying up whenever you're out and about. Here's the black one, same thing, elastic waistband with the built-in shorts. It's giving. If I like it, I'll get it in another color, and I'm so excited about this. I know for sure I've got some tops in my closet that I will be able to pair with this, and it worked perfectly. For reference purposes only, I am 5'5". I weigh about 150 pounds, give or take. I am a 36, between a B and a C. I'm not super B, but then I'm not super C either, so if that makes any sense. And then waist, I'm like a 28, and then hips, I'm like a 30 or something like that. So everything in today's haul I think is a medium, But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Girls just wanna have fun, yeah. Just wanna have fun. Girls just wanna have fun. Just wanna have fun. Girls just wanna have fun. Just wanna have fun. Girls just wanna have fun. Just wanna have fun. Girls just wanna have fun. I do what I want and you do what you can. Walk in the spot, got him looking like damn. Bad bitch, so you know he gon' pull out them bands. You ain't gotta worry, I don't want your man. How you hating when you was a fan? If I post a pic, he gon' like it again. Bitch is too greasy, I'm calling him Pam. Ain't gotta ask, bitch, you know who I am. Just wanna have fun. Girls just wanna have fun. Just wanna have fun. Girls just wanna have fun. Just wanna have fun. Girls just wanna have fun. Just wanna have fun. Girls just wanna have fun. Girls just wanna have fun. Got buns, niggas got guns. Like I'm green like my money at once. Got them blue, so I'm calling them sun. Water be dripping my body. She a hottie, be making them naughty. Give me pesos, I'm calling them popping that money. If you ballin' like Scotty.